Okay, it's an oil change on a 2012 Nissan Rogue. I'm going to the passenger side. Down below is the filter. It's right behind the wheel well here. Bang. I put the new one on already. Trying to figure out which way to turn it, left or right. I think just be gentle with it. Alright. It should be only like hand tight, man. Your hands should be like mine, gorilla grips. If they're not, use both hands. Alright, whatever. It's hand tight. Already took the bolt off. Drained the pan. It's right here, man, look. Filter is right there. And you look to the right, the pan, the bolt's on the back. Wipe the cap, pop the cab, it's pretty hard. Which way do you go, Wade? I don't know, left, loose, right, tight. Oh, so quick. For the oil, it's going in. All right. Okay. Put that bolt back on there rightly and not so tightly. Finish to fill it up. Should take 5 gallons, I believe so. Or 5 quarts, what have you. And I got some of this Lucas oil for the quart that I ran through. It might have ran out. Just put a little bit in there. Wasn't a whole lot. Start it up. Let it run down past idle a little bit. By the way, I got everything off. AC or whatever. It's a fan blowing. Check it. By the way, it still looks low. It's like halfway up the stick. I can see it. I don't know if you can. So I gave it quite a bit more to Lucas. Don't forget to put the cap on before you try and start it. That's crazy. Put the cap on before you try and start it. Clean up.